Hello, today I'm going to show you how to download and install LineageOS on your Samsung Galaxy S6 and S6 Edge. The links for the files are in the description section. And before we start, let us see what are the files we need for this. First thing is the ROM itself and Google Apps. I prefer to use a Pico variant. You can use the other variant too. And the last thing is the Edge Fix Pack. Apart from this, we need a router device, custom recovery installed such as twerp or any other recovery. And if you're not sure how to root and install custom recovery, I'm going to make a new video for you guys. So first we need to download the ROM, the Edge Fix Pack, followed by the Google Apps. So let us download all these three files. So you can see here we have the ROM, and you can also download the GApps and Edge Fix Pack. Right now there is an issue with the camera and the ROM is little bit slow. Apart from this, most of the things are working fine, and I have already downloaded the files. So the ROM itself and the Edge Fix Pack and Google Apps.